This table is number 2, really, of this one that we saw. In the first one, we saw how Yoshayahu, minimal in the Old Torah, appears with Pinto and then Yosef, which is clearly his full name. Yoshayahu Yosef Pinto, as it is known, named as his grandfather, the commentator of En Yaakov, Zarif. Then you have here his attribute, Ish Asher Ruach Elokim Bo, like Yosef, a man, what Pharaoh said, is a man with the Spirit of God, which really can help give advices, and Yosef gave the advices to save Egypt. Then you have definitely what he is doing. This is minimal in the Old Torah, Birer Nefesh. You can see the pay of Nefesh Yosef, which clearly shows this what he is doing, rectifying spirits, souls of people, neshamas in Israel. Amazingly, Israel comes here, and Arsot Abrit and United States come here. These are the two places where he's working very much. In Manhattan is center, apparently one of the big one in this area for Yiddishkeit, where I gave also lectures. So seeing all these things together, Yoshayahu, Yosef Pinto appearing in the best meeting with Rabbi Yosef, Chacham, a man with spirit of God in him, a man who rectifies spirits, souls, neshamas, give advices to people like Yosef to Pharaoh, helping them a lot. No doubt that this is a man. So those who try to cause damage to him, no doubt those who want to blackmail him to take money. Maybe the names of this also can appear, but we did not look for it now. Only hoping that people will see who is really Rabbi Yoshayahu Yosef Pinto.